Good evening student, this is your math workbook of class 8. Now we are continue chapter 4 and we start our worksheet 4.2. In previous video we have done 4.1, so now this is 4.2. It is also very short worksheet, so first is true false. So student, I know you have to read the all important fact of this chapter. If you read carefully the all important fact, then you can give answer, you can find the statement true or false. So student, this is the true false worksheet and read the statement completely. If statement are true, then write T, statement are false, then write F. So first is a parallelogram can uniquely be constructed if two adjacent sides and an angle between are given, so it is true. Second, a square can be constructed uniquely if its perimeter is known, so true, because when the perimeter is given, we can find the side of square, then we can construct easily square, so it is true. Third is, to construct a rhombus uniquely, we need one of its diagonal, so it is false, because we need any one side also, any one side or diagonal, so it is false. Fourth, to construct a quadrilateral uniquely, we need to know any three sides and any two angles, so it is false, because any three sides and any two angles, we need any two angle, not two adjacent angle. Now true false again, a quadrilateral can be constructed uniquely if its four angle and the side are known. This is false, because we need two adjacent side and three angle. We need two adjacent side. And the more property are given to construct quadrilateral. Second is, to construct a rhombus uniquely is two diagonal are sufficient, so it is true. We can construct a rhombus if we know its diagonal. Now three is, four measurement can determine a quadrilateral uniquely, so false, because five measurement can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. We need minimum 5 measurement. So student, our worksheet 4.2 is also done.